Hello everybody. Today Italian listening number 25. The ancient theater of Epidaurus. L'antico teatro di Epidaurus. From Wikipedia, teatro di Epidaurus. Posizione, or usiamo in italiano very often you will hear a location, so especially in those shows, chef, master chef, they use always location, because one of the five scoring is about the location of a restaurant, and they use always location, so no way to be mistaken. Grecia, Epidaurus. Regione, Argolis. Coordinate geografiche: latitudine 37 gradi 35 primi 46 secondi nord, latitudine 23 gradi 04 primi 45 secondi est. I know, guys, come on, maybe it seems stupid to make Italian lesson like this, but in my opinion we have to know everything. Okay, so even the coordinates in Italian we have to know how to read. Parte dei teatri antichi greci. Fondato nel IV secolo prima di Cristo. Culture greco-romana. Data degli scavi fin a cominciare dal 1879. Gli archeologi Panagiotis Kavadias. La condizione sono delle rovine parzialmente restaurate. Management, in italiano business we use management, okay, or particularly in this case you sovrintendenza, Archaeological Society of Athens. Sito dell'UNESCO World Heritage. Nome ufficiale: Santuario di Asclepios a Epidaurus. Area superficie, estensione 1393,8 ettari. Buffer zone, dall'area protetta, diciamo 3386,4 ettari. The ancient theater of Epidaurus is a theater in the Greek city of Epidaurus, located on the southeast end of the sanctuary, dedicated to the ancient Greek god of medicine, Asclepius. It is built on the west side of Synortion Mountain, near modern Ligurio, and belongs to the Epidaurus municipality. Constructed in late 4th century before Christ, it is considered to be the most perfect ancient Greek theater, with regard to acoustics and aesthetics. And about this, of the thousands and millions of fake news and video that I watch and read every day, here I can say yes, because I have been there so many years ago, and I still can't believe the acoustics. Something incredible. you stand on the center, okay, and it looks that acoustically you are enclosed, encapsulated in a cylinder. You clap your hands or start singing, voicing out. Inside, if you keep inside this small circle like this, they can hear you, my friends. They can hear you until the highest and farthest um, um, scaling seats is incredible, incredible, really incredible. As soon as you come out 5 centimeter out, an inch out of this circle, your voice, the tone, the propagation, it changed totally. They can't hear you anymore, And beside of that, beside of this, the clarity of your voice when you are inside guys, we are talking of 2000, 2300, 400 years ago. I can say yes, what I'm reading is totally right. I experienced with my ears, with my eyes, an amazing place. Besides that, I have a bias for Greece. Okay, I have been now recently also again in Athens, but really incredible. Back to the writing. Because of its exceptional architecture and aesthetics, the theater was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1988, along with the Temple of Asclepius. Now Italian. Il teatro antico di Epidauro, considerato il miglior teatro greco antico per acustica ed estetica, si trova sul versante occidentale del monte Chinorti, non lontano da Epidauro. Faceva parte dell'estremità sud-orientale del santuario dedicato al dio Asclepio, figlio di Apollo e dio della medicina. Secondo Pausania, viaggiatore e geografo greco vissuto nel secondo secolo d.C., il teatro antico di Epidauro è stato costruito dall'architetto Policleto il Giovane. Pausania rimase affascinato dal teatro per la sua simmetria e bellezza. Nel teatro antico di Epidauro si poteva assistere a giochi musicali, ma anche ad opere drammatiche. Questi rientravano nel culto di Asclepio ed erano usati per guarire gli ammalati. It's amazing. Si credeva, infatti, che guardare spettacoli drammatici avesse effetti benefici sulla salute mentale e fisica dei pazienti. Poteva ospitare fino a 14.000 spettatori. It sounds a bit weird that the patients can benefit from a drama. I mean to say, today we use it's already it's a long time, along the history. We have a lot of stories, and actual science and medicine, where in so many areas of the world the music is used as a therapy. Okay, and even today, even for the plants, we use the music. But it sounds a bit weird that the dramatic opera shows would benefit the patients. But there is a lot of to say about this, I mean to say. I don't want to, avesse effettivamente poteva ospitare fino a 14.000 spettatori, 14,000 spectators. Uso attuale. What about nowadays? Anche oggi questo teatro è utilizzato per inscenare drammi antichi. Risale al 1938, 1938, la prima rappresentazione in epoca moderna e fu l'Elettra, tragedia di Sofocle. Purtroppo, a causa della seconda guerra mondiale, gli spettacoli si fermarono e soltanto nel 1945, nel 1955 riprese istituendo anche una rappresentazione annuale in ambito del Festival di Epidauro che continua ancora oggi. In tempi moderni, il teatro antico di Epidauro non è stato soltanto palcoscenico di opere drammatiche antiche, ma è stato usato anche per ospitare importanti eventi musicali accogliendo i più grandi attori e cantanti greci o stranieri. Spicca su tutti Maria Callas. Guys, I put some link. I put the link from Wikipedia because I really like how is explain and wrote about this incredible theater. Then I put the the Italian script from villegiardini.it. That in the first in the introduction is nevertheless that exact perfect translation from the Wikipedia. And then I put a video from YouTube from a very nice British channel showing the history about this the theater. All right, okay, thank you very much and see you next. Bye.